What's your name?
My name is Mother.
How are you today, Bunny?
I love Chucky.
Okay, good job. Bunny, how old are you?
I see.
I'm 3. Good job. Bunny, today we're going to talk about toys and colors, okay? Bunny, are you ready?
Yes, I
Okay, very good. Bunny, what's this?
do. Daddy.
It's a
Car.
dog. Very good. Dog. Okay, Bunny, what's this?
Car.
Car. Good job. Bunny, what's this?
Ball.
Ball. Very good. Bunny, what's this?
Daddy.
City. Very good. Okay, Bunny, what's this? Yes, it is.
Daddy, no, it isn't.
Very good. Okay, Bunny, is this a ball?
Yes, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Very good. Bunny, is this a teddy?
No, it isn't.
Good job. Bunny, is this a car?
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Okay, Bunny, is this a dog?
No, it isn't.
Good job. Very good, Bunny. Bunny, what toys do you like? I like. I like teddy. Very good. Okay, Bunny, what color is it? What color is it, Bunny? What color is it? It's blue. Very good. What color is it, Bunny? It's what color is it? It's green. Very good. Bunny, what color is it? What color is it? Purple. Red. Bunny, what color is it? Yellow. Okay, Bunny, what color do you like? Okay, good job. Very good, Bunny.